Hello viewers, good day. Welcome to Math Match. Today we want to look at different types of equations we have in mathematics and how to identify each of them and how to also differentiate one from the other. These equations are called number one, linear equation. Number two is called simultaneous equation. Number three is called quadratic equation. And number four is called polynomial. So for each of these equations, they have their characteristics, they have their features, they have what we can easily check in each of them to know each one from the other. Number one, let's start with what we call simultaneous. Let's start with rather linear equation. We want to start with linear equation. Number one example for linear equation is like 3x plus 4 equals to minus 10. I am not solving this equation. I just want us to understand. Anytime we see linear equation, that we should know that this is linear equation. So for this equation here, we have 3x plus 4 equals to minus 10. Now, for this 3x, x is a variable, also called an unknown. We don't know the value of x. But for this x, it is this x that will let us know whether this is linear or not. For this now, the power of x will define whether it is linear or quadratic. If the power of x is 1, if the power of x again is 1, it is linear equation. Another example is when we have something like 4a plus 3b equals to 8. In this case, in this number one example, we have one unknown. The equation is linear. In this number two example, we have two unknowns. 4a plus 3b equals to 8. The unknowns are a and b. We have two unknowns, but it is still linear equations. Now it is linear because a has highest power of 1, b also has highest power of 1. Therefore, this is called linear equation. This is also called linear equation. So let's check for other type of equation. Number two is what we call simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. So for simultaneous equation, what is simultaneous? Simultaneous simply means two events happening concurrently. Two events happening at the same time. Example of simultaneous equation is just combination of two different linear equations with two unknowns. For example, 3a plus 7b is equals to 8. This is a linear equation with two unknowns. Another one is 2a minus 6b equals to minus 1. This is also another equation that is also linear. So a is occurring here, b is also occurring. So simultaneous equations in most cases are equations that are linear in nature with two unknowns. But occasionally in simultaneous equations, we have what we call one linear, one quadratic. We can also solve for such. But today we are not looking at how to solve them, but how to identify and differentiate them from each other. And the number three equation we are considering is what we call quadratic equation. We call it quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, we have a general formula. Please let us follow. We call it ax squared plus bx to the power of 1 plus cx to the power of 0 equals to 0. For this, it's the same thing as ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the general quadratic equation. Example is when we have something like 3x squared plus 7x plus 4 equals to 0. So for this quadratic equation, we will see that in quadratic equation we have just one unknowns, though it is split into two different terms. For 3x squared, we have x squared as an unknown here. X is an unknown. For this 7x, we have also x. they are the same. It is not separate. It's not, if we have 3x squared plus 7y plus 4 equals to 0, it looks like quadratic equation, but it's not quadratic equation because this term y is different from this x. So we cannot call it quadratic equation. It is quadratic in nature, but you cannot solve for x here. That is the issue I am trying to differentiate. It's a quadratic in nature, but you cannot solve for the value of x since this 7 is having an unknown of y. So in quadratic equation, we must note that the highest power that we have in quadratic equation is always 2 for the unknowns. In quadratic equation, the highest power we always have for our unknowns is always 2 in quadratic equation. And the last but not least is what we call polynomial. Polynomial is any equations. Polynomial is any equation that has polynomial. Polynomial, like I'm trying to say, is any equation that has highest power greater than 2. Example is 3x squared, 3x cubed rather, plus 4x equals to 8, or 9y to the power of 7 minus 8y to the power of 6 equals to 1. These are examples of polynomials. Once the power of the unknowns there is greater than 2, they are referred to as polynomial. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.